All right, you guys, so one of the last things to install in this is the 24-hour parking monitor. Okay, now this came in separate. I believe you can purchase this as a kit. If you want this with it, it will be a little bit more, or if you just want the dash camera without the monitor, I think you can also have that option. Links will be in the description. But this is a 24-hour parking monitor. So basically this will hook up into your dash camera into the power port, right? Now, for this to maintain power, because y'all know I have to unplug the power, we will be powering it with this junction box right here and our 3 cords. Okay, so right here it says number 1 is your ground. So you got your ground, you have your battery, and you have your ACC, which is your ignition switch. Okay, spider. All right, so as you can see, it says ACC, then it says battery there, and then this one will be ground. All right, so basically your ground will be grounded. We will put the ground on metal, and we will put our battery where the battery needs to go. So our battery is the yellow plus battery connected to the car standing 12 volts. So that's your 12 volt. All right, you guys, so this will be the best time for me to test out this this sensor up here. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the post office, and then I will be in there for a while. So it's going to turn off, and when I walk in front of it, I'm gonna try not to walk in front of it before I come to the car. I'm gonna come to the side so I can show y'all that it's off, and then I'll come back inside the car so y'all can see it turn on. Y'all see what I'm saying? All right, you guys, I'm walking to the car right now. Let's see. Should be off. All right, so the system is off, right? I wasn't recording, you guys. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. All right, you guys, it's recording now. Let me move away. I actually stepped in front of the camera, so it sensed me. All right, you guys, so I am standing on the side of the car right now. If I actually put my hand in the car, the dash camera will see me. Hopefully y'all can hear me. So right now I'm gonna step in front of the camera to the other side of the car. And y'all see that it came on. I was trying to look like a criminal, and yeah, it will catch a criminal coming in your car. All right, you guys, so I'm standing here on the other side of the car where y'all saw me walk to. Now, it don't come on when I'm on the side of the cars, okay? I'm just letting you know, but it will come on if I actually put my hand. Sorry, the truck was out. It will come on if I actually put my hand in the car. All right, and I think it's because the camera actually sensed me on the passenger seat or the driver's seat. I'm ready to get out of here now. I just wanted to do that quick test. I gotta go get some gas anyway. So I'll finish up this review when I get back home to the garage. I am gonna go over my final review of the sensor. Well, I kind of reviewed the sensor already, but I just want to let you know that my wires is right here. I got my battery and the ACC wire right there. Now I got my ground wire right here. Now don't worry, you guys, I'm just doing this for the test. I will clean this up. This is not even the final for me. I am going to clean this up, and yeah, nobody will see the wires. I just did this just to do it real quick. So right there, I got my ground. Your wire has to be grounded, you guys. It has to be grounded. Now I have my battery hooked up to a I think it's my horn or it's my 12 volt, but it is 215 amps. So I put one in one 15 amp and one in the other 15 amp. Basically the other the ACC needs to be hooked up into a into a fuse that basically used to when you just start the car and you need your battery hooked up to continuous current. All right. I will try to link up a different video or a better video with a better understanding. But yeah, that's basically it. When I was testing the sensor up here, it does work when I open my trunk. It don't work when I walk behind my car. Maybe it don't sense me. But when I open the trunk, it comes right on. When I open my doors, it comes right on. So yeah. Once again, if you're not comfortable with this, please get a professional and, get them to do it. All right. Me, I do my own stuff. As far as this, I done electrical work in my car, hooked up stereos and stuff like that. I even hooked up this stereo right there. So yeah, I do my own stuff. But if you're not comfortable with this, get Best Buy Geek Squad or get somebody who work with car audio to hook it up. And other than that, that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.